the reality of the devastation hits home. Nowhere is it being felt more than in struggling suburbs like Goodna, and reporter Libby Stone has been hearing some of those stories today. Libby, a big job ahead.
Yeah, there certainly is, Lofty. I'm just in the local computer store at St Ives Shopping Centre. As you can see, the owners and their friends have been extremely busy gutting the place today. And if you take a walk outside with me, you can see absolutely nothing can be salvaged here. The shop front, the shop fit, we have furniture, $50,000 worth of stock cannot be salvaged. It's now a rubbish pile. Look, it's the same heartbreaking scene wherever you look in this shopping centre, wherever you look around town. For the people of Goodna, unfortunately, it will be a very long road to recovery. In a community of battlers, this is one battle they never thought they would have to face.
Our community has nothing, absolutely nothing. We are workers, we are poor. The only thing that we have is what's in our heart and in our spirits.
On the outskirts of Ipswich, Goodna is a war zone. From the air, a devastating view of the destruction. Heartbreak for this local childcare centre. Cots, high chairs, precious children's artworks all caked in mud. An overwhelming task for workers and volunteers. This mobile home park also ravaged. It's the residents who need this type of accommodation the most that will be doing it the toughest in the weeks and months to come. Around 600 homes have been swamped and almost all of them were buried under a surging river. Vinnie Jin's place was one of them.
No time at all. This is can't stay quick.
His family has been living here for 30 years.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad when you think, it was about a week ago, everything was still here.
The place has been gutted. A lifetime of memories has been dumped on the front lawn.
Basically lost everything. Lost the house, cars, clothes, everything.
Like so many others, Luke Kavanagh's home is coated in thick brown sludge. He was working away from home when the disaster hit.
The missus and the kids got out, lucky the brothers-in-law come down and got them out, and then they come back for the dog and the photos, but that's all we got, so rest out there. We'll start again.
Businesses in the CBD are still bleeding. Behind every shop front is another tragic story.
It's not only the cost of rebuilding, but it's paying staff who aren't currently working. It's maybe having to put staff off if that comes to it. You just don't know how much it's going to cost in the long term.
Owners don't know how long they'll be closed for or if they can ever rebuild. They know it could be a very long road ahead.
Yeah, we're holding it up, getting there.
Doing the best you can.
Yeah, no point stopping.
Still, in Goodna's darkest days, there are signs of hope. Even those who have so little to give have given all they can.
Kids have been bringing their Christmas presents in.
But this is still a community so desperately in need of help.
I'm not proud to say we need help. We need help and we need it now, and we really appreciate everything that people are doing for us.
Everything's gone, except our community spirit.
Yeah, Libby, an emotional clean-up day in the rest of Ipswich as well. About 3,000 homes and businesses affected there.
Yeah, that's right, Lofty. And firefighters from Logan have actually arrived in the city today to help in the clean-up. Many of them are actually new recruits and only started training